Hello dear Geminis, welcome back to my channel and this is your exclusive love reading plus career reading for the first week of April. Your cards are already out, so let's dive in. First, let's talk about your career. You've got the Hangman and the Nine of Spades. Now, I do see that in the past you have been hurt badly or your trust has been betrayed by someone close. Maybe you trusted somebody with your investments, with your money, and that did not go well for you guys. I also see that some of you could have had a lot of losses also, lost money also, lost job also. You are somewhere still stuck in that energy, right? That, oh, I hope that money could come back, or I hope that opportunity could come back, right? If this is you, if you resonate with this, then let me tell you that the cards are saying you have to move on from this stuck energy because this is lowering your energy. This is keeping you away from all the more money and success and more opportunities that are about to come your way. If you accept that whatever is gone is for good and I have better opportunities waiting for me or more money waiting for me, you will find yourself in a source of abundance. You see, this man is getting everything from the universe. You will get the success, you will get the money, you will also get the profits or the job that has been taken away from you. So you will get it tenfold, which means better, much better opportunity than what you lost. So please move on, you will definitely find a lot of success. If we talk about your love life, you've got the Three of Stars and the Eight of Suns. Again, some of you could be dealing with a Libra Sun Moon rising in your birth, or you could have that in your birth chart. Not necessary, but this is a particular sign that popped up. I do see that there has been a separation from somebody, right? Somebody who hurt you really bad, or at least this separation, this departure, this no contact hurt you really bad. If you have been in this stuck energy for a very long time and you have been waiting, to move on from this energy and start a new life with a new person, celebrate this glorious life that we have, then that's very much possible in the April 1st week. You could be getting a new partner, you could be getting into a new relationship as well, or if you are waiting for a reconciliation with this very person you had a no contact with, that is also possible. So no matter what your situation is, this is a card of celebration. Two of you will be coming together, whether that's a new partner or that's an old one. Whatever you desired for, that is going to come. You could be even celebrating your reconciliation. You could be even celebrating the uh, you know the opening up about your relationship to your family and friends as well, where you are like officially making it official, or you may be doing some sort of small ceremony at home as well as formalizing or finalizing this relationship. So no matter what your situation is, Gemini, this first week of April is going to be beautiful for you. And if you guys resonated with my reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, if you would like to comment and claim the powerful energies of this reading, please comment, I claim this energy, so that the powerful energies reach you faster. And last but not the least, if you do not follow me on Instagram and if you're not aware of the rituals and the timings, then let me tell you, March 29th, 30th and 31st is a powerful time for the cosmos and the energies. This is a time when you start a ritual, when you do a ritual. So if you haven't already done a ritual, if you missed it yesterday, this is the time now as well. You can do it today or tomorrow, which is 30 and 31st as well. There are two kinds of rituals available with me. So please book it. I'll give you a very easy ritual. It's not something that you cannot do, and it's not like it is in thousands of money that you're going to pay to me. No, very easy peasy rituals. I'm going to give it to you, or I can also do a ritual on your behalf if you're just in case not able to do it on your own. So DM me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot, to book it, and please also follow me there so that you get all such important updates. And you can email me as well at astharsharma842@gmail.com. All these things are mentioned in my bio and the description box below. So check it out. Take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.